Hello, and welcome back to Dax.Overland. My name is Max, and today is a great day. After traveling for almost a year in our self-converted G-Wagon, Danya and I decided to build a new rig from scratch, our Iveco VM90. And now is the time to apply all these things to the Iveco, build a habitation box, and eventually hit the road again and live full time in it. Today's the day, I'm so happy. Also, I didn't show you my cool new toy. I don't know if I need to clarify this as advertisement or whatever on YouTube, because it's not sponsored. I applied at Ryobi to be a product tester, so I got this tool. So I don't know what this is, but it's great and will help me a lot. I'm so happy. I was quite struggling actually. But it's finally over. This thing will move out of the tent today and the Iveco will be back. I'm so happy. There's just minor things left to do, like painting this. And painting the floors. But for that it doesn't need to block the tent anymore, and I can finally continue in here with the Iveco. So I anticipated 2 to 3 weeks max, and now it's almost 2 months. So I guess that was wildly optimistic, to say the least. But finally, it's happening. Waiting. That was not really smooth. Let's get the Iveco up there now. From now on I will try to have a weekly video again. I just didn't want to make the whole G-Wagon process longer than necessary, and that's why I didn't have videos anymore. There was also so much less engagement on the channel, so I thought I'd like to get as quick as possible back to the Iveco. Because it seems you guys prefer the Iveco content. So I have a question. Why are you here? It shouldn't sound that harsh, but honestly, why are you here? Do you have Ivecos yourself? Or do you build a car? Are you more interested in the progress of the Iveco? Whatever, like I'm really curious, and I would love if you could tell me in the comments, because I would like to know you a little bit better as well. Because for now, it's more like a one-way street, and I don't know who's on the other side of the videos, because you only see me, so tell me, I'm curious. I'm always scared to burn down those cars, especially if not everything is properly built up again. So I like to disconnect the batteries. So let's see how this will start. This was perfect. Hallo Pongo, na, was machst du denn hier? Was machst du denn hier, hä? Finally, it's up here again. I'm so happy. Now this thing can properly continue. The rough schedule for it is to get it on the road first now. So inspection. The first step was the bumper. Next steps are the seats and other smaller things so that it's road legal. And if you made it this far, I guess you could subscribe. I guess you liked the video if you made it this far. So see you next week. Don't miss out how we convert this thing to our new Overlander. Thanks for watching and see you next week.